Hey everybody, and welcome back to PE Design 10. My name is Sue and I am from OML Embroidery, and today we're going to talk about shapes. There's a lot of cool shapes available in PE Design 10, and they're located up here where it says shapes, or I have some of them down here because I'll use them. But I want to talk about the ones that you probably won't use or haven't used, and I want you guys to use them because they're cool. So, okay, we've got the square, we've gone over that one, we've got the rounded rectangle, which I find is a huge time saver. Your basic circle, but what is this one? Arc and string. Let's click on it and find out. It's actually quite cool. So left click and drag, and if you hold down your shift key, you make it a perfect circle. So I'm going to do that for this one. And then once you let go of your left mouse button, you get this little string, they call it. And what you want to do is specify 2 points. So depending on what shape you want. So click here. And look how it goes. Look how it goes. So you can do a perfect half circle quite easily. And let's go maybe here. It almost looks like a face, a mouth. There we go. And you have your design. Isn't that cool? That's pretty easy to do. And you can play around with it a little bit. And you can get really good shapes. Left click, drag, let go, place 1 point. How about we do Pac-Man? No, this isn't the right one for Pac-Man. Sorry. Let's do half circle. Almost a perfect half circle. Let go. There you are. So that one is pretty easy, and I think they make perfect shapes. Look at the perfect curves on them. So let's click off that, go back to our shape. Let's try this one. It's a fan. So let's see how that one goes. So let's make a circle. Hold down your shift key. Make a perfect circle, let go, and you get this again. Now we're just going to kind of cut it out. There's the Pac-Man I was looking for, and I just clicked and clicked. And this would be really good for applique or anything like that. If you want a quick perfect circle with a piece out of it, this is the one for you. So try using it and see what you guys think. They're kind of fun, and you don't have to do perfect circles, by the way. If you want a shape like this and you want a chunk out of it, say for a logo or something, super easy. That took like 2 seconds and they're perfect. Of course, if you don't want the outline on it, you don't have to have the outline on it. You can click on it and right click, and you can take off the zigzag stitch and make it a not sewn line. And there you go. Now you don't have the outline anymore. So one more thing we can do, if you make a shape, let's pick one of these groovy ones. How about that? That'll work. And you make a shape, hold down shift, all of the shapes that you do, you can hold down shift, let go. And there we go. And I had taken off the outline, but let's put it back on, because I want it on for this one. Now say if you want that an open shape, because right now of course it's closed. Let's right click on it, and you can go right here to open. Click on that and it's going to open your shape. Now if you notice, the fill stitch is gone because you can't have an automatic fill stitch with an open shape. There's no place to end it. So yeah, now your shape is open. And I think that works really well. I think that is a few things you can make use of, the built-in shapes, and save yourself some time. There's some really cute ones that you can use. So thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video to let me know you want more videos just like this. Go team PE Design 10. Remember to like this video so we can do some big classes. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.